Hi. Are you the sound chap?
Paul?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Ken.
Nice to meet you.
That's your sound guy.
I got a treat for you.
Oh, okay.
That's your sound guy.
I'm not going to believe this. You're really not going to believe it. I'm going to show you something.
Oh boy, he's excited, Phil.
I am so excited for you. You've no idea.
So excited.
I'm going to show you something that you might never have seen.
Ah.
You're gonna have fun today, Phil. Yeah?
I have a line out from the main. See that's main?
Yeah.
You have a desk up there, so you're familiar with this kind of thing.
Yeah.
So look at this. My line out, this line here,
Right.
comes from main, and where does it go? It goes into there. It goes into front left. And this is where I have to be very strict, if you don't mind. This is the most important part. If you accidentally go onto one of these other channels, you will mess up my system badly.
Yeah.
So main is your main.
Right.
Now, all the things you have to play with here, there's vocal, drum, piano, left and right, they work together. They go together, they're joined.
We're gonna set them for the whole.
Sound effect. This you can play with.
My headphones is what they're gonna hear on TV.
So let's see if this
Where are
works.
you from? You can.
Let me go down there and see. Let's see if it
There he
works.
goes. Oh my gosh, he's a runner. And he's flying a plane.
Okay. So are you getting the vocal in it? It's working? It's working from that distance? That's amazing.
It's working.
So there's a few things to test. There's a few different sound sources I work with. So let's do one at a time. Let's first of all do the piano and the voice. Okay?
Okay, here's that's the voice.
So I'm going to do piano for you just now. Okay, so you've done it. Very good. So take it down a little bit. There you go. Get yourself a level on this one. Got it? Okay, now I'll give you another one. I'll give you something new to get a level on. Heidi! Okay, we're going to bring in the piano with it. Looping piano. Have a look at that one. It's a different channel. It's the main piano, and then there's the looping piano. You want me to come up and tell you which one that is? You got it? All right. Now here comes a layer on top of the looping piano. If I did abuse the rights I had, the rights I lose, and you along with them, but I'm stubborn and lucid and wanting to burn, including my wage, that's prisoner's page. But you make me rock and roll, you make me take the can, you make me roll. I wake up in the morning, beautiful sunshine. I wake up in the morning, all I see is you. Okay? Great. Okay, back to the beginning now.